Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. Today we are going to explore another scent from Abdul Karim Al Faransi, Maison Anthony Marmin from Dubai. Right now he's in Dubai. I think before he was somewhere else. Anyhow, so I am going to open it. I had these lying with me from past like 3 or 4 years. I'm not sure these have been, in the market right now, but this is Baghdad. I'm going to share it with you, the sample of Baghdad. I think I enjoyed it. Let's see if I still find it amusing. So I'm going to get the bottle and I'm going to use it. It's 0.5 ml. You can see over here, it's 0.5 ml. And we are going to apply it on a strip just to see how this actually what are the notes of this oil. Oops. Oh, I am liking it. Okay, so nice one. Very nice. It is a kind of spicy sweet with some Hindi oud note that is kind of like funky smell you get from pure Hindi or oud oils. I really enjoy it. I think it is the second oil which is like these commercial oils or relatively cheap oils or affordable oils that I really enjoyed. If you really want to, get the hint or scent of what Arabs would like, this is nice one. Baghdad is a very nice blend. I'm really enjoying sniffing it. I'm not sure they have used any chemicals or what, but this is a really nice blend. Damp, spicy, light spicy. It is not very spicy. Maybe on the skin it might be more glowing or better, but it is the best balance of sweetness, spiciness and Hindi funky note. This is a really nicely done. It has some uplifting kind of airy feel to it, which I cannot pinpoint what they have used, but this is really nice. Kind of reminds me a bit of Syrupy. So make sure if you like, I really like Syrupy kind of, scents where they have some, Hindi oud or maybe some saffron in it. I still feel that there is something. Yes, saffron might be here. It is very close to Swiss Arabian Mukhallat al-Malaki, I think. Yes. Also very close to one of oils from Arabian oud that are Syrupy. So if you like Syrupy sweet kind of oud oils oud oils, attars, this is a must have. Yes, it is very close to Mukhallat al-Malaki. Overall, a very nice blend. Baghdad, I would rate it like scent profile. I would rate it like 7 or 8 out of 10, and from power, I think it would stay like 4 to 6 hours maximum, 4 to 5 hours. So I would rate it like 7 out of 10. So both of these, scent profile and the scent profile, can be 8 for me. I enjoyed using it, and maybe I think you might love it too. Baghdad, if you haven't tried this one, do try this one from Abdul Karim Al Faransi, a very nicely blended attar oil. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I don't want to make it too long. So that is all. We'll meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.